Let's be honest. Every December, most of us sit down and write our financial goals for the new year. But by March, we can't even remember where the paper went. But 2026 shouldn't be the same story. It has to be a different story. This year, we are setting financial goals that really works, not just look good on a paper. Whether you're working abroad or back home, I will show you a simple way to create goals that you can actually achieve even with limited income. So grab your notebook or notes app and let's plan your money the smart way. Hey family, this is Becky and welcome back to Becky Brilliant Finance. So on today's video, I'm talking about how to set financial goals for 2026 that actually works. Why most financial goals fail? Here is the truth. Most people don't fail because they are lazy. They fail because their goals have no plans behind them. You may write in your goals, I want to invest this year. I want to save this amount of money this year. I want to start a business. I want to do this and that. But those are wishes, not goals. A goal becomes real when you give it a structure, a number, amount, a deadline. For example, you may say this year, instead of saying this year, I want to save more, you have to say it this way. I'm going to save $1,200 this year before December 2026. And each month, I'm going to save $100. And it would be good when you say that this amount of money I'm saving this year, it is to invest in this, it is to do this. You give it a reason. See the difference. The other one sounds like a hope, a wish. But now this one sounds like a real goal with action. Now reflect on 2025. Before you write goals for 2026, take 15 minutes, look back at 2025. Ask yourself, what worked financially this year? What drained my money and energy? What would I love to do differently next year? This reflection helps you to set realistic goals, not just copy and paste on what you think should be your goals. Get crystal clear on your why. Now, before even you write your goals, ask yourself why. Why do I want to save that money? Why do you want to invest? Why do you want to pay off debts first? Your why gives your goals a meaning and keeps you moving even when you feel tired or discouraged. For me, my why was so simple. All I needed was peace of mind. Not these things of being on work, waiting for only just salary, no emergency fund, no any other income stream. All you're waiting is your salary. I was so tired of keeping budgeting expenses more than income. So that why pushed me to start building my emergency fund, to start looking for another source of income. You see, that why can push you to do something. For your case, maybe your why is to build a business back home or also build emergency fund. Also to support your family back home, to start your own business, or to stop living paycheck to paycheck. Whatever it is, write it down because your why gives your goals power. Choose 3 main financial goals. Don't overwhelm yourself with many goals. Choose 3 core goals that matters most for you in 2026. For example, building emergency fund for 3 months of your living expenses, or saving for that business you want to start, or you want to start investing in government securities, treasury bills and treasury bonds, money market funds, unit trust. Just make it clear. Let them be like 3 goals. Remember, your goals should be SMART: specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-bound. The key here is to focus on what really matters, not what just looks nice for you. Break it into monthly actions. Once you set your goals, now break them down. If your goal is to save like $1,200 yearly, it means monthly basis you're saving $100. Or maybe you may say in Jan, I want to learn something. I want to learn how to invest in treasuries and treasury bonds, unit trust. Whatever thing you want to do, make it that way. If you say now I'm saving this, make it monthly. If you say I want to learn about government securities, they say a month. It may be like in January, I'm learning about government securities. In Feb, I'm learning this. In March, I'm saving for this. In April, I'm investing that way. The smaller the steps, the easier to start. And once you start, build the momentum. You don't need to do everything in January. Just stay consistent month by month. Track and reward yourself. Now here is the secret. Tracking your progress is magic that makes your goals stick. You can use simple notebook, an Excel sheet, or budgeting app. Each month, review your progress and celebrate the small wins. Even saving $50 consistently is a big step forward. It builds confidence, and confidence creates financial discipline. Align your mindset. Financial goals don't work if your mindset doesn't support them. You have to believe in yourself. You have to believe that you deserve the best. You have to believe that you deserve stability and abundance, and that you are capable to manage it. This is where affirmations comes in. I'm disciplined with money. Attract opportunities that grow my finances. This is where personal growth meets financial growth. You get it? Exactly, that one. Your mind is your strongest financial tool. Protect it. If you want to go deeper into this mindset part, I shared a video about how affirmation, morning routines, and small habits changed my mindset, my finances, and my life. I'm going to link that video in my description below. Go and watch it. It's a game changer. I'm telling you, you will see things working the way you can't even tell. Now that you know how to set goals that actually works, start today. Write your top 3 goals for 2026 and write why. Then make sure you put them where it is visible, maybe on your vision board, on your mirror, or on your phone wallpaper. And if you found this video helpful, don't just click away. Write one goal you want to see in 2026 in comment below and why. And also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that you don't miss my next video. We have to grow together and we have to see our goals working and also achievable in 2026. See you in my next video. I love you all. Bye-bye.